If I could describe Mr. Hussein in 3 words, I don't know if I could, but I would say optimistic, resilient, and loving. When Mr. Hussein lived in Kabul with his family, he was the main caretaker for his 2 daughters. He fled Kabul with his family because he knew that they wouldn't be safe in Kabul after it fell to the Taliban. And here in the US, his sole focus has been creating a life and giving opportunities to his 2 daughters, Layma and Sahar.
چون در افغانستان این مسائل برشان برابر نبود که اینجا ما آوردیمشان، از این بسیار راضی هستم و کوشش نهایی خودم میکنم که دخترای قدردانی میکنیم. در صورتی که ما وطن خود ترک گفتیم با یک شرایط خراب و وطن ترک گفتیم، اینجا یک امید زندگی نو یافتیم، یک امید زندگی نو بهتر شد.
He was able to be paroled into the country under, at the time, Operation Allies Welcome. And he came here and he started a life where his goals were to provide for his daughters and ensure that they had the best opportunities that they could have. Unfortunately, due to an incident that had happened, ACS got involved with his life.
ACS تمام پرسنلش تمامشان برای من بسیار خدمت کردن. من ازشان خوش هستم که از فامیل وار با ما رفتار کرده. امیدی که ما از دست داده بودم زنفار با ما یک امید نو بخشید، یک زندگی نو آغاز کردم. از برکت این دفتر اینا است که ما امروز سرپای خود استاد هستم.
Working with him has been a wonderful experience of learning about how people overcome challenges and also oppression by government institutions and emerge resilient and hopeful and ready to parent their children the way they always planned to do.
اولادای خود برسانم به تحصیل و به تربیت خوبتر شوند و کوشش نهایی خودم میکنم که دخترای خود به یگان کالج خوبتر، درس خوبتر، کوشش نهایی خودم میکنم به یک جای خوبتر برسند که یک روزی که منایس وکیل صاحبا با ما کمک میکنن، همه تو یک مقام، همه تو یک جای کار کنن. یا آرزوی است. تشکر CFR از تمام همکاری کمکتان.